Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department, and we are getting a lot of questions about cloth masks. Last week the CDC recommended that anyone who's going out into public wear a cloth mask. We're now encouraging people to do that. There are a number of things you should know before you do that, one of which is that a cloth mask does not make you bulletproof. So please make sure that when you're going out into public, you're still limiting the number of times you do that. And when you do go out into public, make sure you're maintaining spacing between yourself and others. And also keep in mind that a cloth mask becomes contaminated. So I've been wearing this cloth mask for a little while now, and it's important that I take care of it in a way that doesn't expose others to the virus. So I'm going to make sure that I take my cloth mask and I put it in a plastic bag or some other place where others aren't going to get their hands on it. And then I'm going to wash my hands, or I'm going to, at the very least, use a sanitizer to make sure that I'm killing any virus that may be on my hands after touching that mask. You may also be wondering, where can I find a cloth mask? Well, the reality is that masks and other protective equipment of all types are very difficult to find right now. However, you can quite easily make a mask like the one I have at home simply by taking a piece of cloth, folding it over a number of times, using rubber bands or some other fastener to put it on. There are also a whole plethora of sites online now and on YouTube that can show you how to make a cloth mask at home. They're really quite easy to do. You probably have plenty of supplies around the house that can be used to do this. Just make sure that you're taking care of it properly. You're not using it thinking that you're going to be, again, bulletproof. And remember also, it's not just to protect you, but more importantly, it's to protect the others around you. Because we know that you can spread coronavirus a couple of days before symptoms develop. So as we breathe, as we talk, we are exhaling moisture, and that moisture carries virus particles with it. And so wearing the mask helps to keep that moisture and those virus particles in the mask and not in the air that we're all sharing. So again, just make sure that when you're done, you take care of it properly. You can wash and dry in a machine your mask and reuse it the next day. So that's the story with masks. We do encourage you to wear them in public. I have a new tool that I want to share with you today. This is a new data dashboard that we have on accesskent.com. If you go to our county website and follow the links to COVID updates and then to the data dashboard, you'll find this, which is all of our Kent County data and data from around the state of Michigan related to the COVID-19 outbreak. We have information also from the state of Michigan. You can look at various counties and how we're comparing to other counties of similar size or larger around the state. The third page of our data dashboard also has more information from other counties. And Steve, if I can have you go back to the first page, I want to show the modeling websites. Here in this corner, if you're interested in looking at the modeling data that we have and what other counties and what other universities are using to project what the scope of this outbreak may look like over the next few months, you can do that. There's quite a few very reputable universities now that are providing that sort of modeling data. So really a lot of useful data here at accesskent.com. I would encourage you to check it out as we all learn together about what this virus and what this pandemic is doing now and looks to be doing in the near future. Our cases for the day, this is going to be updated every day about 3 o'clock. Right now we have the case count from yesterday. Here in about half an hour, this is about 2:30 as I'm filming this. It's about half an hour. We're going to update this with today's count. At last check, we were at 194 positive cases here in Kent County, and sadly, we're now up to 7 deaths. We had a couple of other individuals, 2 women in their 70s, pass away in the past 24 hours. So we do have a higher total case and death count to share with you today. But we're going to update this continually every day about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And so I encourage you to keep an eye on this. And again, great data, and you can see what Kent County is doing compared to other counties in the state of Michigan. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department. Please continue to like and share this Facebook page, and I'll be back tomorrow with more information. Thank you.